Hey everyone, it's Linda Medeiros, director at the Pampered Chef and host of What's Linda Cooking Today, doing an easy sheet pan meal. You've seen me do these, but I have to tell you, it is one of those things that is so easy, and when I don't know what to cook, this is just something that is my go-to. I've got my oven on 400 degrees, and here's my list of suspects. Do y'all see that down there? I hope you do, and shout out if you don't. But we have, let me get this phone out of the way. We have my large bar pan that I have with just a couple of pieces of chicken thighs because we think that those are the most flavorful. And then whatever I had on hand. So I had some Brussels sprouts. I cut those up. I had some carrots. Peeled those. Then I had some of these whole peppers. Just cut them, put them in here. Now my last thing that I'm going to put in here with my knife is going to be just a little shallot, and I'm just going to cut it just like this. Notice today I'm not even using a cutting board because I have everything just cut up kind of rough and kind of big because this is going to cook for probably, oh, and by the way, I have some radishes in here too. Is anybody, shout out if you have made roasted radishes before. So that has just like a nice, like almost radishes have like a bitter flavor, but for me at least, and I think they come out really nice in a sheet pan meal. So if you have some of those, just throw those in there and see, and let me know what you think of that. So we got this cut up, and then I'm going to make a nice little, in my manual food processor, let's move this a little bit. In my manual food processor, I've got some olive oil. And, you know, I was going to do some cider vinegar, but you know what, then I thought I'm going to have some nice mild, very, very mild rice vinegar in here. And then, so we're just building like a sauce kind of thing to put on here. Then we've got a little bit of honey. Let's put that in there. Oh, if I can get this to go. You know, nice way to, if you've had, honey has an indefinite shelf life, so it starts to solidify. Put it into this. I don't have that problem with this, but if it does, just put it in the microwave, okay? Or some warm water is even better, okay? So we've got, oh, I forgot. We got to put some garlic on here. Here's my garlic slicer. I like sliced garlic. It's a little milder flavor. So we're just going to slice, and I'm only going to do a little bit of this, and then the rest of it, I'm going to put in the vinaigrette, okay? So we're going to just kind of slice some of that. So it's going to be dueling garlic. We're going to have some minced garlic, but we're also going to have some sliced garlic in here, okay? So let's put that garlic. The rest of this garlic, let's see if we can get it out. Oh, live filming. Tough when things don't go exactly the way you want. It would be really worse if I put that in there and it got cut, but there we go. My garlic slicer, my garlic in there. Then I want a little Dijon seasoning. So I'm going to throw that in there. Just a little bit. So, and you can put Dijon mustard, but I have the Dijon seasoning. So I'm going to put that in there. And then I've got some French onion soup. Not French onion soup. French onion dip mix. I'll put that in there. A little bit of salt. And I'm putting that right on top of everything. And then a little pepper. There we go. I love, love, love my bar pan for stuff like that. Now, I'm going to put this in my manual food processor, and we're just going to make this vinaigrette. It will emulsify everything. And this is going to make something really delicious. Oh my gosh, look at how nice that looks. Really delicious on the chicken, on the veggies. And it's just going to be, now if you don't want to make a vinaigrette, you can use your own, you know, just a salad dressing. But I am going to urge you, make your own. Let me see if you can see this now. Throw this on. And I want to make sure it gets on the chicken really well. But I also want it on the veggies. And the last thing I'm going to do on the chicken is fine. Then we're going to mix up these veggies with, here is my small mix and scraper. Mix up these veggies. I'm not going to touch the chicken because the chicken has already got it on there. And I don't want it to I don't want it to come off. But I might move this chicken just a little bit and do this so that the bottom of it gets. Look at that. Oh, we got a runaway. Let's put that runaway right on there. Oh my gosh, this is going to taste so wonderful. Then we're going to put it in an oven of 400 for maybe about a half an hour. And then I'm going to check it and make sure that this is roasted good. And then that is going to be it. It is going to be done. So this is, let's move this around a little bit because I want all of these veggies to kind of cook. Now I like that I can make the whole meal in this. And 400 degrees, okay, that's it, 400 degrees, about a half an hour, maybe 40 minutes, and this will be done. And hopefully I will be able to show you a picture if I can remember before we start eating. So this is Linda Medeiros, director of The Paper Chef and host of What's Linda Cooking. What are you cooking up? I would love to hear you. Shout it out below. Bye for now.